One of the things to look out for at AG3D Printing, our 3D printing lab, where we bring our ideas into reality, we've met a lot of really cool people, whether it's through doing this podcast or me working in the 3D printing industry, whether it's through my own business, AG3D Printing, or the other 3D printing businesses that I've worked for. I've met a lot of really cool people. And one of my friends, Andrew Sink, who has a YouTube channel, an amazing YouTube channel about 3D printing, where he teaches people what he's doing and how to 3D print and has amazing time lapses. They're really great, and we're going to have him on soon to talk about it. But our friend Andrew Sink sent us one of the 3D printers that he bought to do a review on, and that was sent to us, and so we're super appreciative. Thank you, Andrew. And so what we have to do is create a lot of amazing things on there and then share it with you. So that's the deal. So we're in the middle of I just unpackaged that the other day. It is an SLA 3D printer. So the 3D printers we have right now in our lab are FDM, or fusion deposition modeling, or fused filament fabrication, FFF. That's like the plastic. That's the typical one you'll see people have in their homes, right? Whether it's the labs you have in school or whatever else it is. Those 3D printers are the piece of filament. You put it through a nozzle and you're printing layers like this stuff here, right? So we've got this stuff here. The SLA printers, the more expensive ones, will use the original technology, used lasers, right? So it was a vat of resin and a top that comes down, and then the laser would etch the shape and it would form the resin, and then the top would come up and then come back down to add the next layer, and then you'd form this thing that's being built upside down, and it's super high resolution, not large, but you could do some pretty amazing things. And this 3D printer that he sent us, this Lotmax CH10, it's the iron box. We're going to be talking about that more. We're going to be sharing what we're going to do, but basically in the background in between things, I'm going to be testing that out and tweaking it and playing with it and seeing how to dial in those settings so that we could start creating some really amazing stuff. So we will eventually here show little videos that will be on AG3D Printing. That's at AG3D Printing on Instagram, Twitter, and then of course at ag3d-printing.com, and that's where you can check everything out. That's how we fund the podcast. We have our Etsy shop at ag3dprinting.etsy.com. All of that stuff, whether it's through a service where you get something 3D printed from us, or buying something from our affiliate link on our website, and of course buying something on our Etsy page, which is a product that we've designed and it can get to you. That's the way that it funds this podcast. That's how we keep things going. And that has been very busy lately. Honestly, I think one of the things that's been difficult to manage is we've had a lot of work on the AG3D printing side, and I've just had to make time for it. So it's good stuff that's happening in the background. It's not just mental health and physical things that we're dealing with, but it's also we're busy. We're busy, and that's a good thing. And so we wish the same for you. We wish at the very least that you're healthy, that you keep your mind straight, and that you're able to just keep yourself busy so that you can push through everything that we're going through. It's a crazy, crazy time. We're a year into this nonsense, and yeah, we're still going. So be good, stay well, spread love and spread science. Be good, and we'll see you on the next episode of Today in Space. See you next time.